gotta go out there, cause you know when you telling me he ain't really think about that shit, and then he gonna run more through the middle.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Rio, and I'm back with another video, man. Look, as y'all seen by this title, I'm cutting the dreads off, man.
Who?
Yup, today is the day, man. I'm excited, low key. Like, I know a lot of people gonna be like, man, you tripping cutting all your hair, man. But I'm excited, man. You feel me? Like, it's a new year. I want a fresh start, and I also haven't seen myself with a low haircut in a long time, so I'm excited to see how I look, man. I know my brother keep telling me, bro, you gonna be tripping for cutting your hair.
He ain't lying.
At this point, I'm just like, look, I just want a fresh start. Like, I'm tired of dealing with them, and my hair unravel so easy. So I get my dreads did today. By next Saturday, it's gonna be looking like it's time to get it done again. Like, they gonna be coming loose at the roots. Like, I don't be knowing what's going on with my hair, man. So I'm just like, look, I'm sick of dealing with them. I'm wasting a lot of money trying to keep them up. Big chop, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we finna do today, man. I hope y'all excited like I'm excited. I want y'all to drop a comment and rate my new haircut 1 through 10 and let me know if I tripped or not, you feel me? Cause I don't know, maybe I'm making it move too quick, but I really ain't got no other choice, man. So I'm thinning that one already came out, you feel me? So I'm like, man, it's time for them to go. But yeah, man, that's what this video gonna consist of today, man. I'm low-key nervous, but it is what it is, man. Your boy Rio TV finna have them waves, you feel me? But look, man, let's go and get right into the video, man. Look, I'm finna head down, man. So look, y'all, let's go, man.
Good to have, bro.
Hey, look at this.
Well, yeah.
Man, it's more than just this.
You can put them and make that big one when it lock.
Man, it's over. Oh, you can cut it off with your brush. Oh, this link right here. So that, you think where that brush come? Yeah, don't go lower than this, though.
About a 2 guard.
About 2, 3.
Hey, you gotta go out there, cause you know when you telling me he ain't really think about that shit, and then he gonna run more through the middle. Feel like a piece you just fell off.
Hey.
You feel that shit though. That's why I won't cut my shit. When you cut it, you feel like a piece of your ass coming all whooped.
Fucking with me is the motion. And he's saying we game, we don't know him. Get a bag, no, I can lose focus. All these drugs, cause I'm feeling broken. Try to give you my love and you notice. Say you love me, but I never noticed. My emotions, I cannot control it. Feel no nigga, I don't got opponent. I see niggas saying like, what is the motive? Nigga talk down and we might have to show 'em. My pockets don't think they be fat like Samoan. These bitches on me cause I'm getting the token. I've been seeing fake love and I know it. With too wet like an ocean. Ball on niggas, yeah, I'm finna going. In the studio, potential is showing. Stacking my money, been counting these racks, and I don't mean no flexing, they rig going denim. I hit from the back, but no way I'ma kiss. Been crying in hundreds, don't pass me a tissue. My pockets is stuffed with the color of riddle. These niggas be capping and telling them riddles. Been flexing on niggas, my pockets not little. She giving me pussy, I beat up the kidder. Can't fuck with my exes, they bougie and bitter. Her new nigga trash and he moving like litter. I peep all the hate, yeah, I see it on Twitter. These niggas get mad when they see you a winner. My heart is so frozen, she love me, I shiver. I'm praying to God cause I move like a sinner. I'm stacking my money, it's tall like a sinner. I'm losing my trust and I'm losing my feelings. Not showing no love cause I don't know the meaning. She tell me she love me, I know she don't mean it. I think she might go by the way that she beat it. Got Gucci my coat, I got rap on my denim. Oh, I like the pole, yeah, I drift for no reason. Put Rick on my toe when I step, you can see it. These niggas be hoes, they lying for no reason. Angel like a rumor, we do not believe it. I went through turnarounds, I love how my life turning out. Ain't no more burning out. I chose rap, it's a better route. Evil thoughts I had to fight on, had to let it out. Yeah, I'm working so my mama see I'm better now. She fucking with me, it's the motion. And he's saying we game, we don't know him. Get a bag, no, I can lose focus. All these drugs, cause I'm feeling broken. Try to give you my love and you notice. Say you love me, but I never noticed. My emotions, I cannot control it. Feel no nigga, I don't got opponent. I see niggas saying like, what is the motive? Nigga talk down and we might have to show 'em. My pockets don't think they be fat like Samoan. These bitches on me cause I'm getting the token. I've been seeing fake love and I know it. With that pussy too wet like an ocean. Ball on niggas, yeah, I'm finna going. In the studio, potential is showing.
Alright, man, I need y'all to rate the cut 1 through 10, man. Did I trip? Or is it hard? Y'all rocking with it? Or I trip? Go on, drop a comment. Rate it 1 through 10. I personally like it. I might grow my hair back out. Or I might keep it this low. I don't know. Y'all drop a comment right now, man. We're gonna go get my grandma reaction too. So y'all stay tuned for her reaction. Alright, y'all, we at my grandma's house. I'm finna get her reaction, man. Y'all know she keep it all the way 100. So I hope she like it, because if she don't like it, then it might not be it, bro. But we finna see, man. So let's go on, go up in here and see. You said,
boy, you cut all your hair off your head.
yeah.
It look good though, but why you cut it all off?
I got tired of it.
It look real good.
You like it?
I love it. You handsome.
Oh, you like it? Oh, handsome now? Okay, okay.
It look real good.
Okay.
All in your little suit.
Yeah, got one
Where you
little.
finna go?
I just went to the barber shop.
Man, turn around in the back. Oh boy, you look handsome now. You sure does look good.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, I love
I
it.
told him, I said I gotta make sure my grandma like it.
You love it. I love it. Ooh, boy, you look handsome now. You look handsome. You don't look like Mario.
Grandma gonna hype me up, yeah.
You look handsome.
Okay.
Them girls gonna be at you.
I'm already knowing. It's time for that, ain't it?
My baby look sure not handsome. Got your little outfit on. Where you going looking like that?
I just put on a sweatsuit. Like you, I seen your sweatsuit earlier
That's
today.
pajama
Oh
outfit.
yeah, pajama, yeah.
That my godson bought me for Christmas.
Okay, that look
You
good.
look good though.
Yeah.
Shuck it now.
Now come on, look.
Your mama
Let's show how
be
we
glad. Glad.
We look just alike now, don't y'all?
I love you. Oh, you look good. You look like Mario now.
Yeah,
That's how you used to look years ago.
I got tired of it.
You got it look good too.
I got tired of going to the hairdresser.
Yes,
They was-
paying all that money.
Yeah, they kept canceling on me.
Yeah,
So-
but you look good. I'm ready to see your mama ain't see you.
Oh, she ain't
She
seen
gonna
me.
have a fit. She gonna love you to death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go show her too. I'm gonna go
Yeah.
show my brother too. My brother told me don't do it, but I actually like it.
Yeah, I love it. Tell your brother I love it.
Okay.
Tell my uncle what he said. I love it.
Grandma say she love it, so that thumbs up. That mean I'm
That's
good
right.
so far.
You good.
I'm good now. Tell her, Grandma.
I love it. He good. Number 2.
Where my grandma so funny,
I
man.
love it. You look good, boy.
Yes, sir.
You look good now.
That's all I had to. I had to show them that you like it.
Yeah, you look good. You look like your daddy. You look better than your daddy.
Give me some.
You look real good.
Come on, lock that door so I can
Okay,
get
I
it.
feel like don't let it go back and stay like that, boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this for a minute.
Yeah. You know you have to go fast.
Yeah, y'all been had an afro in no time.
Yeah. All right, baby. Love you.
All right, grandma, I love you too. All right, y'all, we got my grandma reaction. That's what I needed to hear. She like it, I like it. So let's see if my brother like it, and then my mama gonna like it. But so far we doing good, man. So y'all give this video a thumbs up and comment if you like it or not, and rate the cut 1 through 10, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I pull up on somebody else. Man, I trip or you rock with it?
Shit, boy.
I trip.
Oh, that's your friend though.
I trip with. Will, I trip.
Nah, man, that shit friend though.
You roll with it?
Yeah, that was your friend though.
Oh, good.
Hell yeah. Oh, nah.
Man, I
You
hear.
can fit everything I got. Now I got.
What you say? He laughing at me.
Bro, I'm just looking at those shit though. Like, them hoes gone.
They gone, fool. I ain't studying that shit. I can grow 'em back if I want to.
You gotta get out though, so you straight.
I growing back easy. Look, she like, who this is? She like, nigga, you look good now, what up? she like, what up, nigga, you look good. This dog trying to hunt me. I ain't got my hair did shit. I ain't cut my hair, she trying to hunt me. Man, that how these girls be hanging out. I ain't even know girl dog hump you.
Bro, what you doing, bro?
Boy, I cut my hair, these dogs trying to hunt me. Look at this. Huh? Look. This dog crazy. Let me get back, man.
You for real though, I ain't gonna care. Let me touch. Get my hand back, bro.
This man crazy, dog. I don't know. I might add my mama reaction in this. I might add my mama reaction in this, and I might add B reaction. But if not, man, this is the end of the video, man. Thank y'all for staying tuned. Like the video, comment. Man, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I'm out. B, I need your reaction, fool. On my head. Appreciate it. My boy. I'm straight though, bro.
Yeah, man, fresh fade, man. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I thought about cutting my shit, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
he ain't about that light, nigga. He ain't about that light. I'm straight though, I can pull this off.
Yeah, you rock that though.
I rock that.
Hat with you.
You trying to sit down?
Still going outside by hoes, I don't want no dealings. Shawty ain't mad right now, I just think we should just not speak, cause you just don't listen.